Jesus, it's so cold. I can barely see through the snow. Of course a freaking snowstorm happens the moment I get off work. Ugh. I still have to finish that research paper. Accepting and looking on the bright side. Well, at least my apartment is only a few blocks away. But it's getting really cold, though. I should probably cut through the park. That'll save me a few minutes. Wait. Hold on a second. What's that on the bench? No way. Is that an actual person? What are they doing out here? They're gonna freeze. Hey, are you okay? It's too cold to be... Oh my god. It's you. Wait, nerd. Is that you? What the hell? Your lips are blue. What? No, I'm not leaving you alone. You need to go home. What do you mean you don't have one anymore? What? Your parents kicked you out? In the middle of winter? Who the fuck does that? Okay. We'll figure it out later. Hey. Stay with me. Your eyes. They're like mine. I've never seen them this close. Ugh, I need to get them out of here. Okay, let's go, hun. Ugh. No! You obviously can't walk right now. For once, don't be stubborn. I'm taking you home. Yes, I mean my apartment, you dumbass. Hey, stay with me, okay? We're almost there. No. Hey. Don't go limp on me. Hey. Open your eyes. Ah, shit. Okay, we're inside. I got ya. I need to get them warm as fast as possible. Okay. Alright. The water should warm them up soon. I'm gonna need you to wake up, nerd. Are there any lights on upstairs? They're so pale. Almost purple. What the hell happened? I worked so hard to find them. They can't die. Not when I'm this close to telling them. Hey, that's it. Open your eyes. There you are. Oh, you scared the shit out of me. Hey, you're okay. You're in my apartment. I needed to get you warm ASAP, so I carried you into the hot shower. Oh, yes, our clothes are still on. Get your mind out of the gutter. I don't want to think of you like that. Well, sadly you didn't lose your stupid sense of humor. Why did I say that? I'm trying to be close to them, not make them hate me. Just stay against the wall. Try not to fall over. Okay, I have towels. Let's get you dried off a bit. I hate to have to do this, but I need you to take your clothes off. I know, but they can't stay on. They're adding to the cold. You're awake again, but you're not out of the woods yet. I will keep your undergarments on until you're with it enough to do it yourself. I'm a nursing major, so I promise it will be strictly medical. You seem so spooked. I'm not sure you're quite with it yet. I know you don't want to, but if you don't, you're just gonna get worse. Thank you. I know. I know, I'm sorry, love. It's gotta be done. Oh my god. What happened? Those bruises. Why are you all cut up? I think some of the ribs are broken. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Don't cry, sweetheart. I know. I know. It's almost over. It's almost done. Okay. I'm gonna use these towels to get you dried off, okay? Is that alright? At least the color's coming back to their face. Stay here, okay? I'm gonna go get you some blankets. Can I wrap you up in these? They're soft and clean. I promise. There. Doesn't that feel better? Good. Would it be okay if I carry you to my couch? No, I don't think it's a good idea to try to walk just yet. You can barely keep yourself upright. Alright, up you go. I know. It hurts. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna set you down now. I'll be as gentle as I can. I know. I'm sorry. Okay. There you go. It's okay. You're okay. I'm gonna make you some hot tea and some food. Just rest for now. Oh wow! Hi everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's audio. That was something. Anyway, this script was written by Strange-Map-3004. Their names are gonna be in the description as always. But anyway, thank you to my channel members. I don't have it pulled up. I'm gonna do it from the top of my head. Riverwood, Elila DE, Sin. I forgot the rest. Give me a moment. Okay. No. Okay, there it is. Okay. Riverwood, Elila DE, Sin, Astrid Lemser, Call Me Ellie 23, Harland, DJ Anderson, and Brianna Hose. Who said Reality Dreams Audios was professional? Not me. Not the guy voicing the characters. Totally not. But anyways, I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.